yo, first things first, it's time to shake ground in the 8th round. Box battle, I'ma break down with a beat in the rhyme tone. Jump in the cyclone, everywhere, yes, I know. The red team, pack red team, put them up. You block the red beat, off the wall, sitting the gorilla tag team. It's up now, talk down, talk, they can't breathe, yo. You know the routine, the demon effect, please don't step. You wanna be one of my pet peeves, huh? The more beef, the better. Sounds strange, you all wanna creep together. Okay, in the club with a cheesy sweater. Why not? We got so much street credit, the rookie police letters. Now that's foolish, cause we don't act sweet. Cause I can run 10 laps in a track, keep it moving it on now. Making it funk loud, shaking it funk wild. Breaking the funk style, making the funk pound. Dark, watch the funk, what now? Watch the battle shit, get funk down. Click, pow, down, what? Just what I thought was up now. Click, pow, down, what? Just what I thought was up now. I'm like, hold it down, never give in style. You let the limbs on whether you want it to end. Dirty McGinn, I burn them again. 05 serving them sins. For 30 your friends get knocked out, turning the wind. Hopped out, what you want? Take a look at my grin. I'm a bitch, you can tell by the flip of the fin. Come on, I got it right now. Pivot the horse brain and Joe rhythm with the distorted guitar string. Who am I? Rushing my leg, who would die? Pushing it back, how they make it back in July. Area 5-1, stereo vibe gun live. Here we go, yes, so we drop song. For the kids in the hall with the new black tape. Last from both as a boondock say, so get up, and let the sound hit ya. Snap this audio style picture, keep it moving it on now. Making it funk loud, shaking it funk wild. Breaking the funk style, making it funk pound. Dark, watch the pump, what now? Watch the battle shit get funk down. Click, pow, down, what? Just what I thought was up now. Click, pow, down, what? Just what I thought was up now. I'm like, Red split in the belly up on the shellfish. Shitting Indian style, playing the cell blitz. Drilling your brain like grabbing video games. Fill it with the able to styles, it's getting into your veins. Yo, what kind of stuff is he drawing? Really your style, really beyond. Come on, punk, shove off. You really gotta be gone. Ripped out of your brain, tripped over your lip. Your distance, that's so big gang. What's with this? Chilling these kibbles and bits. There ain't a street dog in the globe, I can't fit, get it? I'm sick with it when I spit the venom in it. Flips up in a minute, gets the women in a quick remember, we can settle it now. And I don't know who did it, but they said it was Styles.